Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Para sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Ako naman po open din, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Pwede ka dyan mag-inquire or doon sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Ang isearch mo na lang ay hashtag Virgo Philippines. Ayan, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Pwede kang hindi makarelate. Pag di ka nakaka-relate, wag mong pilitin. Maaaring hindi para sa'yo ang reading. Ibigay mo naman sa iba. And then, i-check mo yung ibang reading na lang. Maaaring yung reading sa'yo ay nandoon. And you do have here the Hanged Man and the Eight of Cups. Clarify the Hanged Man and the Eight of Cups. Ito major arcana tong Hanged Man. And you do have here the King of Cups. Kung hindi ikaw to, pwedeng ito yung person na kakonect mo. I see you waiting. Nakikita natin, waiting ka. Yung iba, waiting for some kind of an ending with the Death card, Scorpio energy, Two of Pentacles. Medyo wishy-washy or may times na parang mangyayari si ending, may times na hindi, may time na parang na-feel mo na parang mangyayari siya. But you're thinking about the future. And the King of Cups, I feel like medyo develop na yung feelings mo for now with someone na nagiging dahilan for you to wait for this person. Kumbaga, parang sa ngayon nakakaramdam ka ng matinding emosyon sa isang tao na nagiging dahilan para sa iyo na mag-expect, na maghintay sa taong ito. And I feel like you are really pushing dito sa connection na ito na parang time will come, matatapos din yung connection na itong taong ito with someone and then kakailanganin niya ako. I feel like you see yourself as an option or alam mo na pag just in case kumawala or nawala ang connection ng person na ito with someone, nandyan ka para sa kanya. You're really waiting. And I can see, I don't know if you're working in a place wherein laging galaw ng galaw. Like maybe ship, barko, ganyan. Or plane, yan. So any kind of transportation. Or kung hindi man, could be, basta anything na gumagalaw eh. So, may nakikita kasi ako mga, anong tawag dito? Alam mo yung mga rides sa theme park. Yeah, like that, no? So, pwedeng nag-work ka sa place na may, na may mga gumagalaw na ganon, na mga rides, like theme park. Or maybe, minsan ka na nagkaroon ng sakit like vertigo na wherein yung feeling nun is laging galaw ng galaw. So kasi nakakaramdam ako ng a lot of moving energy. So kung hindi ikaw tong side na to, then you could be the other side, which is yung side ng person mo. Who is this person that you are dealing with? The person that you're dealing with. For the sign of Virgo, you do have here the Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Maybe this is someone who is younger than you or you feel young or nararamdaman mo yung energy ng parang bata ulit with this person. The High Priestess could be someone na mataas ang kanyang spiritual knowledge, the Emperor, or could be a leader or someone na nagwo-work sa position wherein marami ang nagfa-follow sa kanya. Yan, wait lang guys, medyo inaayos ko ang aking charger. Anyway, tanggalin ko na lang muna saglit. Ayan. So, yeah, Knight of Wands. Dalawang beses na nagpakita sa akin si Knight of Wands. That is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or, could be, ang connection ninyo ng person na to is one needs to travel para magkaroon ng pagkakakita sa inyong dalawa. So, pwedeng may pagkakalayo. Or this person is currently traveling. Kung hindi man siya, pwedeng ikaw kasi nga may gumagalaw dito. And then you do have here the Emperor. Matalino tong person na to. Kaya lang, matalino siya pero may mga taong nagdidikta sa kanya or pwedeng nauuto siya. Kaya kahit anong talino niya, ay na-overpower siya nung mga taong ito. So maybe these are people na minamanipulate siya or kinakaya siya or naiisahan siya. Okay? So, emotion ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Anong emosyon ninyo ng taong ito sa isa't isa? Sign of Virgo, you do have the Three of Cups, High Priestess. Oh, there's a spiritual connection. Nararamdaman mo yun eh. Three of Cups, you see this person as a friend or a person in the past na parang feeling mo komportable ka sa kanya, or this is a person in the past, pwedeng ganun. Or past life connection. Temperance, you're really waiting. Hindi ka maghihintay ng ganyan sa isang tao kung hindi mo talaga siya mahal or hindi siya importante sa'yo. So, naghihintay ka. Six of Wands is here. You're someone who is willing to fight for the connection for this person. Willing ka maghintay, maglabanan or ilaban itong connection na ito, no? And you really want this reconciliation, friendship na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. And Knight of Cups is here. Knight of Cups, this is in reverse. Nararamdaman kay reversal energy dito. Yung iba, you love the person. Pero yung iba, parang somehow gusto mong mawala yung feelings mo dito sa taong to. Lalo na kung matagal mo na siyang hinihintay. Pero hanggat hindi pa nawawala, naghihintay ka pa rin. Pero hanggat nandyan, as much as possible, gusto mo mawala si feelings. Kasi ang hirap maghintay sa hindi mo sigurado kung merong hinihintay eh. 'Di ba? So, nandun yung parang, okay, mahal ko yung tao, maghihintay ako hanggat kaya ko, pero sana mawala yung ganitong klaseng feelings na nararamdaman ko sa taong to kasi ang hirap magmahal. Lalo na kung hindi pwedeng mahalin. So, ganun yung energy mo. And then, the energy ng person mo, emotions niya for you, emotions. Nakakarinig ako ng someone na magaling kumanta. I don't know if you are someone na magaling kumanta. Emotions ng person na ito para sa'yo. For the sign of Virgo, the sign of Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Emosyon ninyong dalawa ng taong ito. You do have here the Page of Cups, the Knight of, that's the King of Swords. And then you do have here the Wheel, emotion niya para sa'yo. The Ace of Swords. This person is thinking of you. Pero parang may nagpipilit sa kanya na wag kang isipin. Or, your person is being manipulated. Or my person, if you're dealing with someone na may kakonect pa, nakikita natin na hindi siya happy dun sa connection niya na yun eh. Pero parang napipilitan kasi siya na, alam mo yun, kung hindi man napipilitan, it's just that, naisip ka ng person na to, pero, may, parang nagsasabi sa kanya, or nagiging dahilan siya para, wag kang isipin ngayon, 'di ba? And, the Page of Cups, this could be someone who is younger, or you feel like, parang kapatid, or pwedeng close siya sa kapatid mo or vice versa, or you feel like this person is like a brother to you or sister to you. So may ganong feeling. King of Swords, this person is really hindi siya nahihiya sa mga ginagawa niya. For now, if there's a connection, okay lang sa kanya yung connection. Kahit ito ay, I don't know, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may connection na parang nakakahiya, pero hindi pwede. Pero parang sa kanya, hindi ako nahihiya dito sa connection nating dalawa. Parang ganun. Kasi nag-enjoy siya eh. The will is here. And gusto niya mabago naman talaga yung situation niya. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? You're someone who is very mature emotionally, spiritually, at saka sa person. Napaka-mature mo mag-isip, no? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future. For the both of you. King of Wands, King of Swords. There's this Five of Cups. Clarify the Five of Cups. Why is the Five of Cups here? Okay, Five of Cups is clarified by the Chariot and the Hermit. Okay. Clarify the King of Wands and the King of Swords. Queen of Swords. Four of Wands. Okay. In the near future for you. In the near future for you. In the near future for you. King of Wands. King of Swords and the King of Wands are here. Then, kanina nagpakita na si King of Wands, King of Swords. Sa side niya. I mean, sa side mo. And then sa side niya meron din. Five of Pentacles. Clarify the Two of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. Hey. King of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. Some of you, there could be a problem pagdating sa communication. Honestly, I can see you being sad in the near future kasi pwedeng i-cut off ka nitong taong ito eh. King of Swords is here. And the King of Wands. Like, there's two choices. Si Queen of Swords, may choices siya. Which is to cut off someone. Hindi siya pwedeng pumili ng dalawa. Kailangan isa lang. And the Two of Cups, I can see a relationship na nilalagyan ng boundaries. And that could be with regards to you. No, pwedeng maglagay siya ng boundaries sa inyo or sa iyo. And nakikita natin, the Four of Swords, masakit para sa person na ito yon. Na hindi siya makapag-take ng actions regarding sa'yo. Masakit para sa kanya na, I don't see this as an ending of the connection. Hindi ko nakikita ganon, but rather my limitations. Alam mo yon. For example, your friends, and then pwedeng in the near future, hindi, manatod pa rin si friendship, pero hindi ganon ka-invested yung taong ito, or pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate, hindi siya ganon ka-responsive pagdating sa mails, emails, chats, ganon. Pwedeng hindi siya ganon maging responsive. Kasi, Five of Pentacles, I can see her big change pagdating sa relationship, maybe even marriage. If you're dealing with someone who is already married, pwedeng i-work out si relationship, and then nakikita natin because of this, pwedeng magkaroon ng problem sa connection ninyo, lalo na kung ikaw si friend. And then or someone, kung hindi man siya mismo, there's someone na magiging dahilan para magkaroon ng boundaries. Like, pwedeng yung person niya will put a boundary sa inyong connection. Ayaw niya yon, pero wala siyang magagawa. Kumbaga, parang puputulan siya ng karapatan, no? To do this or makipag-connect sa'yo. Pwedeng ganun. Pipigilan siya. So, masakit sa kanya yon. But, parang I feel like this person is ano siya na hawak ang leeg or ang kamay niya. So, wala siyang magawa dito. And this would cause a lot of lungkot for you because you want marriage, you want relationship, you want pagsasama, you want the Four of Wands, you want the Two of Cups. Ito yung gusto mo. You want the Ace of Pentacles. You want this. All of this. Gusto mo yan. Kaya nga pasugod ka eh. Hindi ka naman makikipag-communicate or hindi mo ipupush itong connection na to kung wala kang plano in the future sa inyong dalawa. Parang willing kang maging the devil dito, or you are willing na gawin yung mga mali kahit alam mong bawal kasi gusto mong maging masaya with the sun. And the world is here. You're being open. Parang open ka dito, parang pag iniwan ka niya, nandito lang ako, open ako for you. So that's your energy. You are the King of Pentacles. You are waiting. You are patiently waiting kung kailan mo maibibigay itong Ace of Cups dito sa person na to. But the Six of Cups and the Star, this person is, I feel like nandun yung pagkagusto niya sa'yo. But the Six of Cups, wala siyang enough kakayahan to do the things na um, na gusto niyang gawin pagdating sa'yo. For example, gusto niyang umalis sa connection niya with a partner. Paano ko gagawin? I needed this person, or yung person na to ayaw akong i-let go. So parang ganun, parang may mga dahilan. And the Eight of Wands is here, so I can see huge transformation pagdating sa kanya. And or the person na kakonect niya, pwede magkaroon ng huge transformation. Pwede magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago dun sa person na kakonect niya. You know? And dun sa pagbabago na yon, there's the Ten of Wands. This could be the reason para magkaroon ng ending sa connection ninyong dalawa. And unfortunately, hindi maganda yung message for you kasi nga it's about you being parang the one waiting pero wala na yung hinihintay mo in the future. So, medyo mahirap. And what is the advice for you? What is the advice for you? For the sign of Virgo, anong advice para sa'yo? For the sign of Virgo, Five of Pentacles is here. Queen of Swords, Five of Pentacles. Ten of Cups. Ace of Wands. Well, the sun is here. You want to be happy. Gusto mo maging masaya. And in order for you na maging masaya is you do have the Ten of Swords. Kailangan mo masaktan muna. That's it, 'di ba? Parang part of being happy is to accept itong ending na ito and transform your life. Puro 10 ito eh. Dalawang 10 na yan. The Queen of Swords is here. Lalo na kung may family na involved. You have to cut off this person. And the Ace of Wands, wag kang nang gumawa ng action regarding sa kanya. Lalo na kung pamilyado yung tao. And the Five of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Work on your finances. No? Wag mong isipin na kasi itong taong ito, tatanggapin ka niya. Siya yung willing tumanggap sa'yo. Oo, nandun na tayo sa ganun. Willing kang tanggapin niya. Pero hindi kasi pwedeng tanggapin ka ng taong ito sa ngayon. Okay? And nakikita natin you cut off the person. Kung siya'y nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, i-cut off mo pa rin. Kasi hindi ka magiging masaya kung hindi mo rin naman makuha or wala rin. Ikaw mapapala dito sa taong to. The Death card is here, Scorpio energy. And you do have here the Devil. The Devil is you are willing to take the risk. Willing ka maging masama sa mata ng iba, sa mata ng lahat. In order for you to have this relationship. And so, nandun yung willingness mo na i-work out itong relationship, yung connection nito. You want marriage, you want relationship. And the Ace of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I feel like, especially if you're dealing with someone who is married, hindi niya makukuha yung freedom. No? Hindi niya makukuha yung freedom. And the Ace of Pentacles is here. I can see a new beginning sa'yo pagdating sa usaping career, money, your finances. Work on that. Focus ka na lang muna sa finances mo. And regarding this person, I don't see any movement dito sa connection nito. Maraming moving cards dito, like the Queen of Wands, Two of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Pero Page of Cups, I feel like it's a slow movement sa inyo. So iyon, ang advice for you is to accept the ending sa inyo ng person na ito. Ganun talaga ang buhay. well, gustuin ko mo maging maganda yung resulta ng message dito kasi I want you to be happy. Pero, hindi eh. Kailangan kong i-deliver ang message for you. And, yeah, yun yung dapat mong marinig. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.